Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to hide email addresses when sending to multiple recipients in Outlook. This is incredibly useful when you want to protect the privacy of your contacts and prevent them from seeing each other's email addresses in group messages. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. Wait a moment for your inbox to fully load so you have access to all your email tools and settings. This ensures everything is ready before you compose your message. Once your email has loaded completely, you'll need to access your email composition tools. Look to the top left part of your screen and click on the New Email button. This will open a fresh email composition window where you can begin crafting your message to multiple recipients. From the email composition screen, the process of hiding email addresses is actually quite straightforward. Click on the Options tab located on the top part of your screen. This tab contains various settings that control how your email is sent and displayed to recipients. Within the Options menu, you'll see a field labeled BCC, which stands for Blind Carbon Copy. Simply enable this BCC field by clicking on it. This is the key feature that allows you to add multiple email addresses as recipients without them being visible to each other. When you send an email using BCC, each recipient will receive the message but won't see the other contacts who also received the same email. This protects everyone's privacy and keeps your contact list confidential. Now go ahead and add all your recipient email addresses into the BCC field. You can add as many contacts as you need, and each one will remain hidden from the others. Once you've added all your contacts to the BCC field and finished composing your message, simply click Send, and that's it. You've successfully sent an email to multiple recipients while keeping their email addresses hidden from each other. This simple technique is perfect for newsletters, announcements, or any situation where you want to maintain recipient privacy. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.